This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals class. I'm doing course D, Lesson 6, Loops in Ice Age, Part 8. Can you fix the code? Okay, so we're going to have a repeat. When I hit run, we repeat 3 times move forward. So we'll move forward once, it hits the bottom, goes back to the top twice, and then 3 times. Once I move forward 3 times, it drops to the code beneath it, and then I'm going to turn left. After I turn left, we hit this repeat block, and the computer says, okay, I need to do this 3 times. Move forward once, twice, 3 times. And then it drops to the code beneath it, turns left. Let's see how far we get. Uh-oh. Oh, so we didn't want to turn left already. We only went forward 3. Is it 5 maybe? Let's give this a shot. Now we turn left. Let's see. Once, twice, 3 times. 5 times? Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. And did we do it? Oh, awesome. We need to change that to 5. Great. Let's keep going.